How to fix Roblox connection error on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to resolve the common connection error or no network issue on Roblox for iPhone, which is often caused by missing app permissions, outdated versions, or network configuration settings. So first of all, what you gotta do is head over to settings, go to general. If you're using Android, iOS, you can follow both steps. Go to your storage and you gotta search for Roblox. Simply search for Roblox in the list. Here it is. So you're going to click on offload app. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. Simply click on offload app and then reinstall the application. So it will basically reset your application and all of the settings within. And you can also try connecting to a stronger Wi-Fi connection. So once you do so, your issue would be resolved, and that is basically how you can fix Roblox connection error on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.